We know that if you have a computer lab, what are the things we need to do? We need to get the cable and networking cards. Okay, which topology we need to use? What is the use of protocol? Okay, like this, we have some internet components are there. Networking components. Okay.
Hi, good morning, all.
Hmm?
Good morning, all.
Yeah, good morning. Network components. We have seen IP addresses, right? Like this, how many types of there for your internet LAN, for example, simple college lab or something. Okay. What we need, what are the components we have means, first thing. Okay. First one is NIC card. What is this NIC card? Ethernet adapter. I'll show you. If you go with in your laptop, there will be a pin will be there. Okay, female pin. We'll call it as a female pin. You can see LAN cable. Okay, that is the thing. Fine. That is called a network adapter or Ethernet adapter. Then media. Then topology. These are the topology. Then protocol. At last, IP addresses. Okay, we already seen IP addresses, we have seen, but we need to know the formula, how to do that and all those things we need to know. NIC card is network adapter. Okay, network adapter. See, suppose I want to connect two machines. Okay, suppose I want to connect to the two machines. What you need? We need to 1 minute. Let me change the color. Okay, this is one computer. This is one more computer. What you need to do? We need to connect one computer to another computer. Okay, this is the cable. Here you can find out the card. Just in every computer, it will be there, NIC card. Okay. Here, this is one. See here, you are using NIC adapter to connect to these machines, and you can use wired or wireless. Suppose if we are using internet, right? What you are using right now, nowadays, nobody is using cabling, all wireless. But if you go with any in our data centers or something, right? Cabling is very fast. Okay, without using cable, the internet will be bit slow. If you use cable, it is fast. Okay, that is called media, wired, wireless. Okay, you can use. Then topology, types of topology. See, if you see the internet center, we have some 10 computers are there in one line. Okay, 5 to 6 lines are there. In one line itself, we have computers, it has been connected like this line topology. If in a line, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll show you that diagram also. Then tree. Okay, you know that a tree also we know. Okay, this one machine, one machine, one machine, from here to another machine. This is called tree topology. Okay, line means in one line, the computer will be there. 3 computers. Okay, tree topology. Then we have a ring topology. Ring also. Let me die. Ring topology means this is one computer. Again, one more computer. Again, this drawing is very difficult here. Okay. Like this, we have ring topology. Ring a round basis. If it is a round table or something, people are sitting in round, they'll be using. Okay, if you see old movies, internet centers will be in round shape. If you go with a cafeteria or something like, all people will be sitting in a round, they'll be operating. It's in ring topology. Like that, we have some mesh topology. Okay, like this, it will be mesh topology. Okay, then bus topology. Bus will be like this. Bus topology. Like this, we have some types of topologies you can use based on your company, whatever you want to use, we can use it if you want, whatever that. But just I am giving the basic of networking. Fine. Now, star also there. You can give star topology. Mesh. Then bus. These are the some topologies we can use for networking. Fine. Then simple, I'm repeating once again because this is very important. Protocol. See, protocol is, you know that protocol. See, for example, in our state, CM is coming or PM is coming, Prime Minister is coming to some other state from New Delhi to is coming to the AP. What we need to do? Okay, what we have to follow the protocol. Okay, protocol is nothing but a procedure. Okay, it's a procedure. See, collector has to be there. For example, coming to the some city, temple city, Tirupati is coming to the temple city. Okay, collector should be there and local MLA should be there. Some procedures will be there that will to call as a protocol. Okay, that is called protocol. What type of protocols we have? What type of procedures? Protocol means what? See, for every state, suppose he is going to Chennai, sorry, Tamil Nadu, Madurai temple, same protocol has to be follow that. Okay, he is going to the Rishikesh, something, same protocol has to follow. Means local element, same procedure will be there, same to same. We have to follow the certain rules and regulations once a prime minister is coming to the India. Sorry, some regional place. Okay, like that we need to follow the procedure. What type of protocols are there here? Just coming to the protocol, our technology. Okay, we have two types of. One is UDP. One more is TCP IP. TCP IP. One is TCP. What is meant by UDP? UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. User Datagram Protocol. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol. What is this? What is the difference between UDP and TCP? This one is simple words. If you send anything, UDP, suppose if you are sending anything, you will get the, normally if you are sending some message. Okay. Once if you get the acknowledgement, that is called TCP. You will get acknowledgement. Means you will come to know this guy has been seen. Okay. Here you won't get, you are sending something, okay, you won't get acknowledgement. Okay, you will get the acknowledgement in TCP IP protocols, you won't get it here. Simple example, UDP. Suppose if you're some radio, for example, radio is there. In radio, there'll be you switch on the radio and you are listening the song, something, radio channel, FM something. It may you can able to your wish, right? Whatever that you are sending, that radio station song will be distributing to people. You may listen or you may not. That's the reason you won't get acknowledgement, but delivery will be there. Okay, simple example for here in our normal terms. Um, you won't get acknowledgement like normal message, normal mobile message. Okay, next message. If we don't know whether it has been received, it will receive, but we don't know. Then email also. Email, you can keep it acknowledgement also, but anyhow, simple example is normal message, I can say. Even email also, we can keep it acknowledgement also, normal message, mobile message. And here, this one is very easy example, WhatsApp. See, once you send a message, you know that once if you get a blue tick, means that guy has been seen that message. That is called acknowledgement. You will get the acknowledgement for TCP IP protocols. Okay. Then in our procedure, some protocols means what some procedures. See, for example, normal PM is coming to the India. Some temple. Okay. Some procedure will be there. First procedure, people should be there, traffic should be properly organized, then local MLA should be there, collector should be there, means set of protocols are there, right? Some 10 to 15 protocols are there. Here, if we have TCP IP, all throughout our applications are running with TCP IP only. This is very rare. Okay, UDP, okay, very rare case we are using. We won't use normally because now we are using TCP IP protocols only. How many protocols are there? How many procedures are there? I can say 65,000 535 protocols are there. I can say this is the protocol. It comes under UDP also protocol, right? Something. No problem. Okay, that is the thing, protocols. Okay. Now, how many protocols are there? We are into protocol. How many protocols are there? Total means 65,035 protocols are there. Okay. See, every object, every application, say for example, you are using any in like RDC, we have some protocol. You want to access from a tool called PuTTY or FTP, or you want to access Java, or you want to use database. Okay, for that one protocol, if you are using any web server, there should be a protocol. Oracle, we have one protocol. Okay, protocol number will be there. Every component is having a protocol. You can Google it, list of protocols. You are going to see one by one. Suppose I want to access some server with using PuTTY. See, port number. Port is nothing but a protocol. Port number will be there. See, I'm using telnet. No. See, protocol is being changed. Port has been changed. Now, raw. no protocol. Okay, something. See, some port. This is the like this you are getting some port number. That is called protocol. Okay. Then we know IP addresses. First thing is NIC card, and second one media, third one is topology, then protocol, then IP addresses. Okay. We know how many IP addresses from dot 0 0 to 255 255. Okay. Why 255? Why 255? 255? See, uh, you are sending a message from one mission to another mission. Computer cannot able to identify 1 2 3. Okay, it will be identify with a binary numbers only, binary digits. Okay, I'm sending a message to you on WhatsApp message. We know our text. Okay, you are sending some text, and you are I'm sending replying to you some text, but internally with help of binary code only, that data will be transformed. Zero ones. Okay, zero ones it will be transferred. Then why we need to give 0 to 255? I already told yesterday. We have, sorry, IP v4, IP v6. IPv4, once lack of IP addresses, then we need to. IPv4 is 32-bit. We are into 32-bit only. Okay. This one is 128. This one is like zeros, ones, zeros, 1, 1, 1, 0, like this it is going on. This one is alphanumeric. Alpha plus numeric. Already we discussed that. Okay, like this. A, B, 1. Now, what is the four numbers? We have, for example, you are giving 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot some 10 you have given. Internally, what happens is 32-bit, right? Okay, 32-bit. Every digit, 10 or 0, whatever the things are there, it will be calculated 1 0 1 1 0 1. How many is there? How many? 2, 4, and 8. Okay. Then 0, right? Some 0, 1 1 0 1. Example. Then 0. 0 means same binaries will be there. 1. How many are there? 4 4. How many? 8 8 8. Okay, 8 8 we have. See this one. Then again here also 8. Like this data will transform. Like this data will transform. See here, if you calculate 8, then 8, then 8, then 8. 8 into 4, 32-bit. That is the reason for this one. 255 also same thing. Okay, 255, 255, 255 also. It will be zeros and ones only. 8 times, 8 times, 32-bit. Okay, this is the meaning for this one. Then we know VP6 means alphanumeric. I can say A, B, C, something. You can go with one. Let me. I'll show you the diagram. Um, Okay, IP4, IP. See this one. How many? 4.3 millions you will get it in 32-bit. Okay, 3 point this million. Okay, here this is the this is good. See this one. IPv4, when it is deployed 1981, we got it. Okay, this one is 1998. 32-bit addresses, 4.3 billion addresses you can use it. I'll tell you the calculation. Only numeric. Okay, you can configure manually also. You can configure that's what we are doing. Okay, manually we can do that. With help of DHCP also you can configure these things. This one. As of now, Google will be supporting for IPv4, IPv6 also. As of now, maybe new technology comes means we don't know that. As of now, IPv4 we have, IPv6 it will be supported. GCP will be supported and AWS will be supported. Azure, any cloud will be supported, both segments. Okay, now see here how many unique, see alphanumeric, how it will be there. See like this, it will be there. Simplified configuration. Alphanumeric A, B, C, D, 00 or something. Hexadecimal notation. This is called 32-bit and 128. But as of now, we need to know about these things only. We have seen /20. Okay, /20 we have. What is that? That is the thing. How many IP addresses are there? Some 4.3 billion IP addresses. Okay, 3 million IP addresses. Now, simple example I'll tell you. Already we discussed 32-bit. How many IP addresses if you want to calculate means, that is also I'll tell you. Approximately um, 000. Approximately how many are there here? 4.3 billion addresses. 4.3 billion addresses are there. Now the thing is, oh, okay. Let me explain. We have seen this one, right? Now, how many addresses are there up to here? Some billions, 4 billions of IP addresses are there. Let me give you one small example here itself. One guy is studying a 10th class. Simple example, layman example. One guy is studying in a corporate school and he is having some 10th class he is studying. Okay. His parents has been purchased a box for him. A box for him. These diagrams. Okay. A box. Okay. Now he's having maths 10 books. Okay. Social 10 books, physics 10 books. Like every subject, sports, computer, and so many. He has some approximately 200 books are there for 10th class itself, homework, classwork, that these we have. Okay, he purchased, parents has been purchased a box and they have given in this box 200 books has to be placed, right? He's placing his books here some, okay, he is dumping into this box. Almost 200 books he placed in a particular wooden box. Now, can enemy suppose tomorrow he is having some special class, some maths. Okay, IIT maths, some class is there. Okay, IIT maths, tomorrow additional class is there, he want to go. Then what he has to do, as a generally think like that, what has to do, he has to search the book in this box. Okay, in this box. How much time it will take? Approximately 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, sometimes if frustrated, he won't take the book also. Fine, right? This is not the right way. Okay, what they did is, parents, what they did is, they purchased a box. Okay, now they given some racks in this box with some cupboard. Now what they will do? Here, this guy will be placing mass books here. One minute, guys. Just I forgot the tools. Okay, Zoom tools are new tools. So many tools are there now. Something. That's why. Okay, where is this? Okay, here, here this one. Here, math books, science books. Like just like I will type otherwise. Here, English, maths. Okay, then science, then special IIT maths, like this, Telugu, like this, he mentioned. Okay, whatever the things are there. Now, he want to search his IIT maths. Here he can go and he can take that book within 5 to, not 5 minutes, within 1 minute, he will take the book. Like this only, we have the classes for that. We have classes. They differentiated with A class. Okay, means first rank, second rank, third rank, right? Like, to avoid the complexity of IP addresses. Okay, to avoid the complexity of the IP addresses, they've been segregated with A class and B class, C class, D class, and E class, and loopback. Fine. Now, in A class, how many IP addresses it will be coming? 1 to 126. Sorry, 0. It will start from 0 actually. Okay. Okay. Total 0 to 126. You are going. Approximately 0 or 1, no problem. Approximately how many IP addresses? 126 IP addresses you will get it. 126. Here you will get it 60. Here you will get it 30. Here you will get it 15. Here you will get it 15. Means 15 range means 224, 225, 226. Like that I am saying 15. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 126 you will get it. 128, 127, sorry, 128, 29, 30, like that it will be going. Okay, 60. Okay, like this it has been segregated. They've been segregated. Then this is the, I told A, B, C we are using. A class, B class, C class. We have seen that also. D class who is using multicasting. Both are reserved, I can say. R&D, reserved. This is also reserved. These are okay, result. Multicasting. Which one? What is meant by multicasting? Here, I heard some people are saying they'll be asking, what is the range of multicasting and what is the use of multicasting? What type of multicastings they have? We have multicastings. We have three type of multicasting. One is in that multicasting. In multicasting, three types are there. One is unicast. One is broadcast. One more is multicast. Okay, these are the things. What is meant by unicast? Where we can use that? Okay, unicast is nothing but wireless, I can say. Simple example, one-to-one. It has been encrypted. Suppose people who are working in military, they're using one-to-one devices. It has been encrypted. That is called unicast. Broadcast, we know that. Broadcast is nothing but TV or radio. One to many. Okay, one to many. Multicast, like one to many TV, radio, or YouTube live, or Facebook live, anything broadcasting. Okay, nowadays YouTube live also there, and FB live also there. So many lives are there. Okay, I don't know. So many things are there, right? We know. Multicasting is one to selected. One to selected. What is the use? This one to selected people means selected people is nothing but, suppose Zoom is a broadcasting only. Zoom, I can say it is a broadcasting tool. Zoom or so many tools are there, right? One of the best tool is Zoom. This one is broadcasting only, I can say one to many only. Okay, this will be acts as a webinar, but selected people. If I share that link to somebody, okay, 5 to 10 people, that people only will be connected, right? In this link, that is called multicast. For that purpose, we are using these IP addresses. Just example I'm saying. R&D, reserved. R&D is reserved. We know reserved means ISRO and these things also. Not only ISRO, I can say ISRO and NASA, they are using this one reserved. Why? Because of you should not somebody should not use this IP address. It has to be reserved. And in this case, not only government organizations, it will comes under private also. I can say, okay, Apple phones or Samsung or any, they have to test it. Okay, they need to do validation test. Okay, quality analysis, quality check. Okay, these things they need to test it, right? Suppose they Apple phone, they are releasing some new model. Okay, they need to verify, they need to do some R&D. In that case, they can use these IP addresses. Okay, these are the things. Now we are coming to the same IP addresses, public and private. How they calculated? See here, you can see the IP addresses like so many. We get segregated with classes. That is why. Now, I have a company. I want to use some 10 missions I need. In that case, can I use this directly one IP addresses? Just 100. Means it will be occupied 4 billion IP addresses. That is not a proper way. You have to do some calculation. You have to provide some subnets. Subnets means how I can say, let me go with this one only. Normally we have seen in our previously in this one, if you calculate this one, you go and see. Why subnets? See here, this is the classes. Okay, we discussed 126 or something like 1 2. It will start from 1. Okay, 1 means 125. We can get it. Okay, 125. Okay, no problem. See this one, classes. What is this? What is this? These things, calculations. Class B, class C. Okay, let it be class D and whatever may be. Here you can see 24, 25, 26, 27, 30 like that. See, normally I should not allocate. If I give this one, if I want to uh, provide a, like I want to build some software, means you should not allow complete some 4 billion IP addresses. You have to segregate. Okay, you have to different. This is this segment. This is this segment like that. Okay. See, one thing, let me tell you that a simple example. See, you're like you got a birthday, okay, birthday festival, something. One boy or one girl crossed 15 years or 10 years or 20 years, something. You are doing a grand party to school people or college or whatever maybe. You purchased a cake, okay, a cake, 5 kgs of cake. General example I'm saying, that is easy to understand. Okay, 5 kgs of cake you purchased for your college party or home party. Let's think like a home party, no problem. Okay. Now, you what you will do? People came. You've been celebrated the party, that is done finally. What you need to do? Some 15 to 20 people are there. Only 15 people are there. Only 15, because it's supposed to at 100 people, but 20 people they reached. What you will do? What you will do? Normally, um, I'm using, I will cut some piece here. Okay. I will cut some more piece here. I will cut some more piece with a round shape. Just one more piece is from here. Can you do this type of pieces? No, right? Remaining, it will be wasted, right? Suppose you have 15 people, means how you will be cutting the cake to distribute to people or friends or whatever. You should not cut like this. Some piece here, some piece here, some piece here. They won't do that. We won't do. What you will do? What you will do? Some 15 people, right? They will cut big piece. Yeah. Here you are cutting some pieces, some piece, some more piece like this. Then again you are cutting 15 pieces. Right? This is enough, 6 pieces. Like this we'll call it as a subnets to divide into the pieces. Okay, 3 pieces have been like this. You're doing some pieces that we'll call it as a subnets. We should not wastage our IP addresses. Then remaining cake, you can keep it in your fridge, right? We'll call it. We have to segregate with help of segments. Like how you can able to give 10 dot some 0, 0, 0, 1 slash 20. You have seen that, but we should not give 20. Okay, you can give like approximately, you can use anything, whatever you want to use. You can use 20 or you can use 30. Okay, you can use 30. Then how many missions you can able to fit in this one? How many missions? What is this? This is the, okay, how this will be calculated means I am giving 10.0.1 dot slash 30. This is very, very important. Then you have to say the calculations, how many missions you can able to create, how many IP addresses. See here, how many pieces are there? We have approximately 1, 2, 3, 6 pieces. Some more I want to make it. How many pieces you have been? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, some 10 missions I need. Only 10 missions or 100 missions I need. In which basis? Means 100 or 101 or something like that. Nearby. 100, 110. I should not go overflow IP address. I should not waste my IP addresses. In that case, you can write this formula. Now I have given 10.30. Okay, 30 I have given. First, second one, leave it. First one, you leave it. How many missions? 30 means, how many missions means? What is what is the IPv4 we are using? IP addresses means, IPv4 means we are using 32-bit. Okay. Keep in mind, 32-bit, right? Writing is very difficult in your pad. I need to use some. Okay. 16. Okay. 32. Our intention is 32-bit. Fine. What is, we have given 30, right? Minus 30. Okay. Minus 30. Because we have given 30. Then the result is 2. Okay. 2. Formula. 2 anything. Once you get the result, with that result, you have to do 2 power of 2. How many 2 power of 2? What is the 2 power of 2 means what? What is the answer? Anybody can say. Mass. 2 power of 2 is nothing but 4. Who given the answer?
Lakshman.
Okay. 4. Means to say, okay, 4 missions I can able to create. For example, you have given 10, 1, right? How many missions you can able to create? 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 1, 10 dot 0 dot 0, 2, 10 dot 0 dot 3, 10 dot 0 dot 0, 4. That's it. Completed. Remaining you can save it. That is if you give 30. Okay. No, I have some other. I will go with some 100 or something like that. Just calculate. In 100 means how you can able to 100 means approximately one more you can calculate. If you know maths, it is easy. Just go slash I can go with 24. 24. Okay, 24 mission. Now 24. How many you can able to create? I can say 32 minus 32 minus 24. Answer is 8. 8. 2 power of 8. Mean to say, I can say 2 power of 8. See, tell anybody. 2 power of 8. What is that? Are you listening? Anybody? Nobody is listening. What is that? 2 power of 8. I need to get the answer from your end only. Based on that, you can able to create. 2 power of 8 is, please calculate properly. I need to get the answer. 2 power of 8 means how much? Okay. Nobody, you don't know? Okay, you can calculate. See, please, I need to get answer from your end. 2 power of 8, how much?
$256 Venkat.
Yes, 256 is the answer. Correct. Like this, you have to provide. See, they'll be asking you, for example, this is the, in GCP, we have seen 20. Okay. Can you tell me the answer for this one? How many machines you can able to create this one? Can you tell anybody? I won't say anything. That much of missions you can able to create. Host mission means missions or whatever. Okay, devices you can create. Simple example. 20 means, can you tell anybody can say the answer? What you need to do? First thing I will tell you, 32. Keep in mind 32. Okay, minus 20. 20 means approximately 12.
12.
12. 2 power of 12. How much? Very, very important. These things are interview questions. Okay, 2 power of 12. Any value. 2 power of 12 means how much? 4096. Let me verify whether 2 power of 2 power of yeah, here you can see the calculator. 2 power of 20, right? See, 4094. 94 it is there. This is wrong. Let me 24. We have seen 1 minute. Let me compare with 2 power of 24. What is the answer? 256, right? 24. Correct only. 256. 256. Yeah, this one is correct only. This one. This one you need to calculate. Because 0, right? 0, you need to remove that. That is why they are giving. But 256. This is correct. Whatever the things are. One more is what we have seen. And what we have given 20, right? 20, right? 20 of 16. Okay. What is that value? This is some, they'll be confusing. 16.
4096.
Yeah, correct. Don't see these guys are not 96 should be there. Okay, this is also wrong. Okay, this website see this. Like, okay, that is the formula. Okay, that is the formula. We need to know the formula. They'll be expecting the formula. 4,900 up to you can able to create. Okay, in GCP, okay, if you create any VM, it will be created with 2 or 3 or something. It won't create completely. Okay, for Google Cloud. 2, 4, I think so. It has been reserved for internal Google networking. From 3rd or 4th, it will create. It will show you one by one. We'll go with that. Okay, this is the formula. If you know the formula, you can able to create. See, now you can see. This is the thing. This is the cake. Fine. Like this, you can do that. And one more last question. You have to tell the answer. If you say this one, I can say 0, 1, let it be 1, 1, 1 slash 0. This is the main value. How many devices you can able to create? You can tell this. And one more is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 slash 1. Here, how many devices you can create? Let it be, whatever, let it be. 2 or 4 or something reserved for GCP cloud or AWS cloud. Okay, but I need to get the answer. Okay, can anybody can say? This much of devices throughout your organization you can create, whatever the things. Can you, I want answer. If you know this one, right, it is very, very easy networking for you. Otherwise, it will be scratch your head. Why? Because of you have to divide into the pieces. See here, I have 5 kgs of cake. I need to keep it. This has been wasted. Why I need to waste? I can keep it in fridge. Tomorrow I'll eat whatever. Okay, I'm using this much of allocations only. This much of piece I'm cutting. We are saying, right, 4 billion. This is the correct answer. 4 billion. If you see the diagram, we have seen the diagram also, right? See approximately 4.3 billion. 4.3 billion. What is the calculation? 4 point, yeah, let it be 4 approximately. This one. Yeah, correct. That's it. You can calculate. Why I want to allow this much of devices? No, right? See some hundreds, thousands, 49 lakhs, 29. See 400 crores. Okay, 429 crores. Okay, 429 crores. You can create it. Here, why I am concentrating, right? This is very, very important interview question. They'll be, if you are saying 10 answers wrong, okay, if you say one answer is correct, you have been selected. Lot of people are confusing the IP addresses. They'll scare if you see some slash 24 will be there. Some companies they'll be using some maximum 24 will be there. Then again one more subnet. They'll be creating multiple pieces. Okay, in that pieces they'll be creating some differentiating. Some they are creating 24. I have seen 12. I have seen 12. I didn't see that. I think so. 24, 20, 24. I have seen more. Okay. 20. Tomorrow I'll tell you. Okay, tomorrow, because I will verify in my environment. I'll tell you. I have seen 24. 24 means how many machines you can able to create? 256 approximately. 2 or 4 are reserved. Remaining you can create. Okay, this much of 214 rows of devices you can create. But this is not at all recommended. That is the reason we have segregated with /2030. Like this, we are doing that. Okay. Some more small topic will start and we'll finish. Now, simple example, going with example. It is now I have a bank, nationalized SBI bank. See, if you know that SBI bank is a public property. Okay, public property. Now what you will do in public property, I want to create an account. Okay, in this account, SBI. Okay, what they will do? Okay, see, this is a public property. You have taken account. See, you have taken an account. What is this? This is private. This is your account. I should not. Means you can take personal account, personal loan, or whatever. Personal loan you have taken, and you have savings account, and you have taken car loan, and you have taken house loan. All those things are for yours only. Okay, we cannot able to see. Suppose if you have SBI account, right? I can able to see? No, right? Okay. In this public property, I have taken a private account. This is very secure. Nobody cannot able to see that. This is in this AWS, coming to the AWS or whatever, GCP or AWS. Don't confuse, that's why in Azure. Okay, in this public property, public cloud, we are taking a separate private account inside. Once if you want to create, this is your private, that we'll call it as a VPC. Virtual private cloud. Okay, in this virtual private cloud, you can create your network, whatever the things. That is yours. In your account, you can. This is understood. This is your private. Here, what you can do, see, this is one project. Simple example. This is one project. This is development project. One more is testing project. One more is production project. Like this, you have separate VPCs. You'll be creating separate. This is individual. Because I cannot able to go. This is my room. Okay, this simple example. Okay, one more example. This is apartment. Apartment. Okay, this is your flat. Very easy. Flat. In this flat, this is individual, right? In this flat, you have your rooms, hall, kitchen, okay, 2 bedrooms, all those things. Okay. One room to another room. You can travel in this network in your flat, but I cannot able to jump into another flat. This is beside your flat. Okay, this flat number 1, this is flat number 2. Flat number 2. Can I jump to this flat? No, right? This is individual. What you need to do, suppose if you purchase it, this one also yours, you can break the wall, you can log in. Okay, like this. This we are going to see tomorrow. Okay, what we need to do, we have to create one separate VPC. First, one room we are building, one house we are building. Later on, we'll create one more house and we need to give connections also. A lot of things are there. First thing, in this public property, means in this public cloud, GCP cloud, we are creating separate VPC. Okay, that is yours only. In their VPC, you are creating subnet A, subnet B, subnet C, D. Okay, like this. How you can able to do? See, now just giving example. This one we are planning to create tomorrow. Okay, 190. You can use any 10.0.0. Okay. 1. Just giving example based on tomorrow. Go with 2, 30, 40, like this. What you can give here. /24 /24 /24 /24, like this. You can able to give. Okay, like this. 4 rooms we created, means 4 subnets. This is one, because you divided into 4 pieces. Just think like that. In this 24 missions, how many missions I can able to create in 24? Approximately in 24 means 256. Okay, 256 missions you can create. Like this, 4 250,000 missions you can create in your network VPC. Okay, let me go and verify. Very easy. If you understood the foundation of this one, very easy. You can allow your rules in this room, in this VPC. You can create your own rules. You can create your future, whatever the things yours you can do in your apartment. Just don't go with a bank. Okay, example is your flat. Okay, in your flat, you can go with anything that is yours, right? You can keep it secured locks. 2 locks you can create. Okay, 2 doors you can. Don't allow. You can keep it a camera. You can keep anything you can secure. And kitchen, you can change your entire things. Anything you can do it, right? Set of rules you can create, set of procedures you can create. I want to put a lock here. That we'll call it as a firewall. I should not allow anybody into my house. I need to keep it a firewall. These things we need to know. Okay. See this one. Go here. Any project, right? That is we are into that project only. VPC network. See, VPC means here you can see the bus topology, right? I want to create a IP addresses. Create a virtual network. Our apartment, some apartments, service apartment, something, dev. Okay. Some galaxy, just a galaxy apartment. Okay, development just galaxy. I'm giving apartments. Easy understand. In this is a transition units, custom. Go to the custom. See, subnets. How many you can able to create? What we discussed. Okay, what we discussed, 10 dot something, right? 10 dot, 10 dot. You can use 0 dot 10. Otherwise 1. You can go with 24. Okay, 0, 0. We need to start from 0, I think so. Okay. Name. Sorry. This is subnet name. Okay. 4 room. We are planning to create 4 rooms, right? 4 or something. 4. Subnet. Okay. A, B, C, D. Region. Any region you can select based on the region. Which region? Asia. No. US will go with. US Central. IP address 24. Like this you can. 1 room. See, apartment, lot of IP addresses. See, IP addresses, whatever this is. 000 means n number of it has been allowed. All those things. 65,000 IP addresses are there. Ports are there. We have ports, right? 65,000 ports we are allowing. We should not allow all ports. Okay. But okay, anyhow we are testing. You can allow all. Like this, you have to create rules and regulations for your 4 regions, whatever the things are. This is your apartment. This is complete apartment. In this apartment, I am creating A block, B block, C block, D block, like that I am creating. Okay, like in real time, it won't be like that. Subnets will be there. Subnet A, subnet B, subnet, whatever the things are there. I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll verify that subnet names also, how it has been created in my project. My project is medical project. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see. Go through this recording.